Let's discuss best practices of managing indirect cost in manufacturing industry. 1. Identify indirect costs. Indirect costs are costs that are not directly related to the production process. It is important to identify these costs and categorize them accurately to manage them effectively. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the finance department. The finance department is responsible for identifying the indirect costs and categorizing them accurately. The use of IT systems such as accounting software can help in tracking indirect costs accurately. 2. Analyze and control indirect costs. Once you have identified the indirect costs, you should analyze them to understand their impact on your business. This will help you control and reduce them effectively. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the operations department. The operations department is responsible for analyzing the indirect costs and implementing measures to control and reduce them. IT systems such as business intelligence tools can help in analyzing indirect costs and identifying areas for improvement. 3. Budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting and forecasting help to plan and manage indirect costs. This allows you to allocate resources to the areas where they are needed the most, and also identify areas where you can reduce costs. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the finance department. The finance department is responsible for budgeting and forecasting indirect costs. IT systems such as budgeting and forecasting software can help in planning and managing indirect costs. 4. Use of technology. Technology can help in automating processes and reducing indirect costs. For example, implementing an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system can help to streamline processes, reduce paperwork, and eliminate duplicate tasks. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the IT department. The IT department is responsible for implementing and customizing the ERP system to meet the organization's needs. 5. Supplier management. Proper management of suppliers is essential for reducing indirect costs. It is important to negotiate favorable contracts with suppliers and monitor their performance regularly to ensure that they are meeting their obligations. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the procurement department. The procurement department is responsible for managing suppliers and negotiating contracts. IT systems such as supplier relationship management software can help in managing suppliers effectively. 6. Process optimization. Process optimization can help to identify and eliminate unnecessary steps in the production process. This can help to reduce the indirect costs associated with the production process. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the operations department. The operations department is responsible for optimizing the production process and identifying areas for improvement. IT systems such as process automation software can help in optimizing the production process. 7. Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is essential for managing indirect costs effectively. It is important to continuously review and improve processes to identify areas for cost reduction and efficiency improvement. The key persona involved in this bullet point is the quality department. The quality department is responsible for ensuring that processes are continuously improved. IT systems such as quality management software can help in managing continuous improvement effectively. Overall, managing indirect costs requires a proactive and strategic approach. By identifying, analyzing, and controlling indirect costs, manufacturers can reduce costs and improve profitability. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, Please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.